from Kingkonree. Kingkonree is supplies for study surface solutions for 20 years, including the study surface sheet, sanitary ware, and fabrications. This part we introduce our sanitary ware. Here is some of our about counter basins. We total have about 90 designs, yes, like with different color, size, and shape, like the oval shapes, round shapes, rectangle shapes, yes. Besides the white color, we also can do the another color, like the gray color, black color, pure concrete color. Yeah, our about counter basins can match with any material countertop, like the wood countertop, solid surface countertop, cold stone countertop. Yes, that's perfect match with your bathroom. Okay, let us show you our new arrival. Look at this about counter basin. This our counter basin is very special design. You can look at this, the outside surface. The outside surface like a cheese skin, and the inside surface is smooth. And the surface we can do the matte and glassy surface. Yeah. Beside the round shape, we also can do the oval shape and rectangle shape. Okay, you can look at this one. This one is our smooth about counter basins. Yeah, this size is very simple and smooth, easy to breathe, and this one is suitable for the small bathroom. Okay, if you have any customized designs and color, welcome to contact us. Okay, thank you.